Here.
Take it apart. Look like this. Like that. Take it apart.
Somebody analyze this stuff.
Use 2 hands. Put this down. Use 2 hands. There you go. Just like that. That's how you do it. Good job, Jaden. Sherry's gonna put some pepperonis on here or not?
This.
I don't know where Trey just went to.
Sherry doesn't want to help.
Okay, give your brother a few more.
More, Daddy.
Yes.
And more?
Yes, yes.
More.
Okay, yes, put those in there.
How do you see, brother?
Is that a pepperoni in your mouth, Jaden? You eating pepperonis, huh? And
Any more?
yes, Papa.
A little bit more.
Okay, we're almost out. Looks really good.
No.
All right, here we go. We're putting it in the oven. We'll see you later.